Man, killer progress today on the Hound Dog deck. We're going to be done here soon. This deck system is going to turn out absolutely gorgeous. And we're talking extreme protection here. Thick build layers of high grade industrial elastomer on this deck system. Way stronger than anything they've ever had here before. I'm going to show you guys this. This deck is going to be absolutely stunningly beautiful when I told you guys this. See if I can back this out. Obviously it's not done yet, but you can kind of get an idea of what's going on here. Over here we got some trim boards that go up on this porch over here that we're doing all the way down through here. I'm all the way down there at the end at all of this. There's a few touch-ups in here that need to be done, but man, once this is 100% complete, I can tell you that this is going to be stunningly beautiful. Super beautiful. You can see how these are nice and thick build, luxurious. That's what's cool about elastomer, working with elastomer. It fills everything in nice and thick. You don't have this thin silly residential stuff on there that's gonna flake off here next month. But you can start to see how this is gonna look here when it's complete. We're not there yet. We will be there. You guys still have 40 days maybe to get your decks protected before winter. Kong Armor has the toughest, longest lasting product on the market today. Professionally applied. You ain't got to do a thing. Go to www.kongarmor.com. Sign up for a quote now. You still have time. We can still get you in and get you done. See ya.